there in this video I'm gonna show you what are the different wildcard characters in Linux. So very popular wildcard characters are like dot, star and brackets. So I'm gonna explain the practical uses of those wildcard characters. For example, if you wanna list the files or directories in like if you want to find all the files or directories that start with say letter A, then you have to put this command or simply a star. It means that display everything that starts with A. So that's how it is showing ABC1 on Android SDK Linux. Even though if I put just ls and then -l, as you can see there are lots of directories and files in the current directory, but when I use this command ls-d a star, it means that it will display only the files or directories that start with A. And if you omit this -d, it also displays the files and directories inside the present directory. For example, it is showing ABC1 and Android SDK Linux, but it is also showing the directories inside that Android directory. So if you don't want to see that, you can just use that -d switch, and that's how you can find those particular files starting with particular letter using the wildcard. So star stands for anything. So when I say a star, match all the files and folders that start with A, and the letters can be anything after that. So star means match anything after that. So if you want to say find all the files and directories which start with the D followed by any character, then you can use this command, and if you hit enter, it is showing D1 because this is the file that matches that particular syntax. Or if you want to, so the question mark, this symbol is actually stands for one character, so it will match only one character. So if the file exists, if there was a file say dxyz, then that file wouldn't have appeared over here because question mark will only match single character. So if there was d1, d2, d3, d4, those files or directories would have matched. And the next thing is that brackets, the wildcard character. Say for example, if you want to find all the files and directories that start with either M or N, then you can use this command, either M or N, and you have to give that in the bracket so that it will identify that, and then followed by say star. It means that find all the files and directories that start with M or N followed by anything, and if you hit enter, it will display only those files. So as you can see, there is only one file that starts with N, and there is a file with starting with M, but that is capital M, and since Linux is case sensitive, it is not picked up that. So if you just switch it to the capital M and then you hit enter, then it has picked it up. Like say it has picked two files, one starting with capital M and another starting with small n. So that's how you can use the wildcard characters in Linux to list the files and directories. Or you can also use this wildcard characters in various other commands like copy, move, remove. All these commands, they can be used. So it's really important concept in Linux that you should learn. Thanks for watching.